वेलकम टु स्मार्ट जीकेमा तपाईहरुलाई स्वागत छ। हरेक बुधबार हामी अंग्रेजीमा जनरल नलेजका क्वेशन आन्सरहरू MCQहरू ल्याउने गरेका छौं विभिन्न टपिकहरू समेटेर र आज पनि अंग्रेजीमा लिएर उपस्थित भएकी छु। आजको टपिक रहेको छ पपुलेसन एन्ड इन्भाइरोन्मेन्ट, जनसंख्या र पर्यावरण। यसमा चाहिँ 35 वटा MCQहरू समावेश गरेकी छु मैले, जसमा पहिलो प्रश्न रहेको छ The major cause of global population growth in the 18th and 19th centuries was, and the options are A. Decrease in death rates, B. Decrease in birth rates, C. Industrial revolution, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Industrial revolution. The major cause of global population growth in the 18th and 19th centuries was industrial revolution. The next question is, population explosion has occurred in the last, and the options are A. 500 years, B. 300 years, C. 700 years, and D. 150 years. And the correct answer is D. 150 years. Population explosion has occurred in the last 150 years. And the next question is, according to the World Population Clock 2018, the world has a population of, options are A. 5.5 billion, B. 4.8 billion, C. 6.9 billion, and D. 7.7 billion. And the correct answer is D. 7.7 billion. According to the World Population Clock 2018, the world has a population of 7.7 billion. Fourth question is, study of trends in human population growth and prediction of future growth is called, and options are A. demography, B. biography, C. paleontology, and D. psychology. And the correct answer is A. demography. The study of trends in human population growth and prediction of future growth is called demography. The fifth question is, which of the following is a problem not associated with population growth? And the options are A. increased resource consumption, B. environmental pollution, C. food and energy storages, and D. none of the above. And the correct answer is D. none of the above, because increased resource consumption, environmental pollution, and food and energy storages all are problem associated with population growth. The next question is, one of the critical mechanisms by which the environment controls population of species is, and the options are A. spread of disease, B. removal of excreta, C. check on death rate, and D. supply of food. And the correct answer is D. supply of food. One of the critical mechanisms by which the environment controls population of species is supply of food, or we can say food chain that controls the population of species. Seventh question is, if the rate of addition of new members increases with respect to the individual lost of the same population, then the graph obtained has, and the options are A. declined growth, B. exponential growth, C. zero growth, and D. none of the above. And the correct answer is B. exponential growth. In this graph, you can see the exponential growth. As the addition of population increases and loss also increases, then the population increases. That's why it has a exponential growth, because both are directly proportional to each other. The next question is, population doubling time, here denoted as TD, can be calculated by the formula, and the options are A. TD is equal to 70 by R. Option B is TD is equal to R by 70. Option C, TD is equal to 70 into R, and D, TD is equal to 70 plus R. And the correct answer is A, TD is equal to 70 by R. The next question is, the number of babies produced per 1,000 individuals is called, and the options are A, natality, B, neonatality, C, mortality, and D, birth. And the correct answer is A, natality. The number of babies produced per 1,000 individuals is called natality in terms of demography. The next question is, population pyramids are useful to, and the options are A, express the population growth rates, B, express the age sex distribution, C, indicate the birth rates, and D, indicate the death rates. And the correct answer is B, express the age sex distribution. Population pyramids are useful to express the age sex distribution. If you like our video, then please do like our video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. The next question is, the zero population growth due to equal birth and death rates is called, and the options are A, natural increase, B, demographic transition, C, fertility rate, and D, replacement level. And the correct answer is B, demographic transition. The zero population growth due to equal birth and death rates is called demographic transition. The next question is, the force which acts against the achievement of the highest possible level of population growth is known as, and the options are A, saturation level, B, population pressure, C, carrying capacity, and D, environmental resistance. And the correct answer is environmental resistance. The force which acts against the achievement of the highest possible level of population growth is known as environmental resistance. The next question is, short-term properties of the atmosphere at a given place and time is referred as, and the options are A, climate, B, microclimate, C, season, and D, weather. And the correct answer is D, weather. The next question is, global atmospheric temperatures are likely to be increased due to, and the options are A, burning of fossil fuel, B, water pollution, C, soil erosion, D, sound pollution. And the correct answer is A, burning of fossil fuels. 15th question is, global warming could affect, options are A, climate, B, food production, C, melting of glaciers, and D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Global warming could affect climate as well as food production and melting of glaciers. The 16th question is, which of the following is not solution of global warming? And the options are A, reducing fossil fuel consumption, B, planting more trees, C, deforestation, and D, none of the above. And the correct answer is C, deforestation. Because your question asks which of the following is not a solution of global warming. Deforestation is not a solution of global warming, whereas reducing fossil fuel consumption and planting more trees are solution of global warming. The next question is, greenhouse effect is related to, options are A, green economy, B, global warming, C, grasslands, and D, greenery in country. And the correct answer is B, global warming. Greenhouse effect is related to global warming. 18th question says, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? And the options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Chlorofluorocarbons, and D. Methane. And the correct answer is A. Oxygen. Oxygen is not a greenhouse gas. The next question is, which important greenhouse gas other than methane is being provided from the agricultural fields? And the options are A. Nitrate oxide, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Ammonia, and D. Ammonium chloride. And the correct answer is B. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is being provided from the agricultural fields other than methane. The next question is, the greenhouse effect is due to, options are A. Penetrability of low wavelength radiations through O3 layer, B. Impermeability of long wavelength radiations through CO of the atmosphere, carbon monoxide of the atmosphere, C. Penetrability of low wavelength radiations through carbon monoxide, and D. Impermeability of long wavelength radiations through ozone layer. And the correct answer is B. Impermeability of long wavelength radiations through carbon monoxide of the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is due to impermeability of long wavelength radiations through carbon monoxide of the atmosphere. The next question is, the primary cause of acid rain around the world is, and the options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Carbon monoxide, and D. Ozone. And the correct answer is B. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is the primary cause of acid rain around the world. The next question is, which of the following statements is incorrect in relation to checking and controlling acid rains? And the options are A. Catalytic converters are installed in cars, expensive scrubbers are installed in industries and thermal power stations, C. Use of petrol cars is promoted by discouraging the use of diesel cars, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is D. None of the above, because all the other options are correct in relation to checking and controlling acid rains. Catalytic converters installed in cars, likewise expensive scrubbers installed in industries and thermal power stations, as well as use of petrol cars promoted by discouraging the use of diesel cars, all are related to checking and controlling acid rains. And the next question is, International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on, and the options are A. January 3rd, B. March 26, C. November 10, and D. September 16. And the correct answer is D. September 16. On every September 16, International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed. 24th question is, harmful UV radiations emanating from the sun are prevented from reaching the earth by the presence of ozone in the, and the options are A. Mesosphere, B. Thermosphere, C. Stratosphere, and D. Troposphere. And the correct answer is C. Stratosphere. Harmful UV radiations emanating from the sun are prevented from reaching the earth by the presence of ozone in the stratosphere layer. The next question is, which one of the following gases can deplete the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere? And the options are A. Methane, B. Ammonia, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is A. Methane. Methane gas deplete the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. The next question is, The ultraviolet radiations in the stratosphere are absorbed by options are A. Oxygen, B. Ozone, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Argon, and the correct answer is B. Ozone. The next question is formation of the hole in ozone is maximum over options are A. Asia, B. Antarctica, C. Europe, and D. Africa, and the correct answer is B. Antarctica. The formation of hole in the ozone is maximum over Antarctica. The next question is the ozone hole appears in Antarctica during options are A. Late winter, B. Peak summer, C. Early winter, and D. Autumn, and the correct answer is B. Peak summer. The ozone hole appears in the Antarctica during peak summer season. The next question is increasing skin cancer and high mutation rate are the result of, and the options are A. Ozone depletion, B. Acid rain, C. Carbon monoxide pollution, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Ozone depletion. It is due to ozone layer depletion that the skin cancer and high mutation rate are increasing. The third question is which of the following statements about ozone is true? Options are A. Ozone is a major constituent of photochemical smog. Option B. Ozone is highly reactive. Option C. Ozone protects us from the harmful UV radiation of sun, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above, because ozone is a major constituent of photochemical smog. Also, ozone is highly reactive and protects us from the harmful UV radiation of sun. The next question is ozone layer thickness is measured in. Options are A. Millimeter, B. Centimeter, C. Decibels, and D. Dobson units, and the correct answer is D. Dobson units. Ozone layer thickness is measured in Dobson units. The next question is nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons released by automobiles interact to form. Options are A. Sulfur dioxide, B. Carbon monoxide, C. PAN or peroxycyl nitrate, and D. Aerosols, and the correct answer is C. PAN or peroxycyl nitrate. The nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons released by automobiles interact to form PAN or peroxycyl nitrate. The next question is the first CFC was synthesized in. Options are A. 1892, B. 1920, C. 1980, and D. 1800. And the correct answer is A. 1892. It was in 1892 that the first CFC was synthesized. The next question is chlorofluorocarbon releases a chemical harmful to ozone is, and the options are A. Chlorine, B. Fluorine, C. Sulfur dioxide, and D. Nitrogen peroxide. And the correct answer is A. Chlorine. Chlorofluorocarbon releases a chemical known as chlorine to ozone that is very much harmful to ozone layer. And the last question is when is World Environment Day celebrated? Options are A. January 5th, B. April 10th, C. April 19th, and D. June 5. And the correct answer is June 5. On every June 5 every year, World Environment Day is celebrated. With these questions, I'd like to end this video. You can follow and like, message us on Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram at SmartGK for you. You can also follow Manohar sir at Manohar Jha 4 in Facebook page. And if you like our video, then please do like, subscribe, comment, suggest and share. Thank you.